Hi, this is Sean Higgins, and man, do I have a treat for you right now. You stick around to the very end, and I'm gonna show you how to make this a win-win for everybody that gets involved. Again, some of my top questions out there is, when I buy a tax lien certificate, are we taking advantage of somebody? Are we kicking somebody out of their house? Absolutely not. You need to make this a win-win for both parties. And the way you make this a win-win for me and you is you hit the subscribe button and you hit the like button on that. Now stick around and I'll show you exactly how a tax lien certificate and a tax deed is beneficial for both the property owner, the county, and yourself. This is what I call the triple win. The county wins because they get their much needed taxes. The property owner wins actually because you're buying them, that's right, time. If you and I weren't there to put up the money for those delinquent taxes, what would the county have to do? They would have to foreclose on the property. By the county allowing you and me to come in and put up for those delinquent taxes, us getting the tax lien certificate plus the interest rate, which the county was already charging, aren't we giving the homeowner more time to pay that? That's right, because if we weren't there, they would have to foreclose and go immediately to taking the property. That's how both parties win. So when I'm buying a tax lien certificate, I am benefiting the homeowner, but here's the crazy thing. The homeowner doesn't even know I exist. They know they owe the taxes. We all own property taxes. What they don't realize is the county needs this money. They need it badly. They can't print money. They're not the federal government. They need it, number one, for schools. Probably 55 to 65% of all property taxes go to running our school. And then you got bridges, roads, fire department, emergency services, libraries, all of those important things that help our counties run the way they are. And as far as I'm concerned, this is some of the most important taxes out there, because when I pay my property tax, I literally can see exactly what that money is going towards. If you don't like the potholes or whatever, I guess you got to vote a little differently. But how do we make this a win-win? I'm buying a tax lien certificate, so I'm giving the property owner more time. I'm helping the county out because they need the money. They need the much needed money to run the county. And I win because I get a tax lien certificate that the interest rate is 18, 16, 24% all the way around. And I want you to think about that for a minute. Where right now in this current unpredictable market are you going to get 16, 18, 24% mandated by state law? That's right, mandated by state law. So there you go. This is a win-win for everybody there. Speaking of win-win, some of you did this earlier and you saw what the prize was. Go to it. Go to SAEN360.com and claim your prize. It's right there. God bless and good luck. Thank you.